There was a time my life looked exactly like this. I hit rock bottom. I felt like a failure. Every day I chased the easiest hits of dopamine, scrolling, numbing out, avoiding everything that mattered. It went on for months. But slowly, step by step, I climbed out. I took control again. If you're stuck in a rut right now, I want to show you the exact steps that helped me. They're simple, they work, and they're repeatable. Step 1. Clean up your space, clean up yourself. When life unravels, our surroundings usually do too. A messy room, dirty dishes, clothes thrown everywhere. Your environment mirrors your inner state. If you can't keep your space tidy, you're telling yourself you don't deserve better. So start small. Pick up the garbage, wash the dishes, put clothes away. Then upgrade your hygiene. Brush your teeth, take a proper shower, put on deodorant, wear clean clothes, smell good, feel good. This isn't vanity, it's a signal to your brain. I am worth looking after. Those small acts rebuild dignity, and dignity fuels change. Step 2. Decide who you want to become. Most of us waste hours because we don't have a target. We scroll, binge, and drift because there's nothing pulling us forward. First, imagine the person you want to be. Who are they? What do they do every day? What don't they tolerate? What do they believe about themselves? Write this person down in detail. Create a new identity you can grow into. Second, choose 2 or 3 meaningful goals you can realistically reach in 1 to 2 years. Don't scatter your focus across a dozen ambitions. Narrow it down. When I focused on just a couple of goals, everything became clearer. Put those goals where you'll see them every day, on your wall, on your mirror. Let them remind you who you're becoming. Step 3. Build the next small habit. Big change comes from tiny, consistent moves. Ask yourself, what's the smallest habit that nudges you toward your goals? Not a complete life overhaul, just one small thing. If you want to be more productive, wake up 30 minutes earlier and don't look at your phone for that first half hour. If you want to be healthier, add a single 10-minute walk after lunch. Make it easy, make it repeatable. When those habits stick, add the next small habit. Rinse and repeat. Step 4. Give your day a structure. When your day is unplanned, every minute turns into a decision: work or escape, productivity or passivity. Structure removes that constant indecision. Start simple. Write 3 tasks you will complete today that move you toward your goals. Put the list somewhere visible and check things off. The act of finishing something, even small, gives you momentum. As you build consistency, refine your schedule. But don't overwhelm yourself with a rigid regime right away. Begin with a few wins each day. Step 5. Move your body. Imagine a pill that sharpens your mind, boosts your mood, improves sleep, raises energy, and even makes you look healthier. That pill exists. It's called exercise. Our bodies are made to move. Treat movement like brushing your teeth, non-negotiable. Lace up, lift, walk, do something that gets your heart beating. Your brain and your future self will thank you. Step 6. Do what you said you would. Momentum can be fragile. Tasks get harder, days get boring, and motivation drops. This is when people fall back into old patterns. Keep your promises to yourself. Finish the work you set out to do, even when you don't feel like it. Each completed task builds trust inside you. That trust becomes confidence. Confidence compounds into progress. Step 7. Stay consistent. Progress is not a straight line. You will slip up. You will have bad weeks. That's normal. What matters is that you keep showing up. As long as you keep trying, you're not failing. Failure is only final when you stop trying. Keep moving forward daily, imperfectly, and you make success possible. Remember, impossible literally reads, I'm possible. This is your life. You're the one who has to live it. People can support you, but change won't happen unless you act. If something in this helped, subscribe for more. Keep going. You're closer than you think.